Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into iCloud, Com, or the Find My app on another device. This is the fastest way to act. Once signed in, choose the Lost iPhone from the device list and enable Lost Mode to lock it immediately. You do this to prevent access to personal data and display a contact number. Make sure Find My was active on the phone previously. If not, you still gather MA/serial to report the device and proceed with carrier and police notifications. Once Lost Mode is in place, decide whether to erase the iPhone. Choose Erase iPhone if recovery is unlikely, because this deletes data and removes Apple Pay. After erasure, Activation Lock still protects your Apple ID. This prevents others from reactivating the device. Meanwhile, notify your carrier to suspend service and request an MA block. This stops cellular use and roaming charges. Also file a police report and keep the case number. It supports insurance claims and helps recover the device. To finish, verify the device shows as lost or erased in Find My and monitor for location updates. This confirms actions took effect. If you cannot lock or erase because Find My was off, provide a MA and the police report to carrier and law enforcement to escalate recovery or disable service. If activation problems persist, contact Apple support with serial number and proof of purchase. This helps remove activation lock when legally justified. If something goes wrong, retry sign-in and clear browser cache before contacting support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.